Hey Kristen, this is Amber. I'm from Local Leads Co. You talked to my teammate Trey the other day and gave us the okay to go ahead and send you over this screencast here. So what I'll be doing is I'm just going to be going over 3 areas in which you can grow and scale your business and get more customers on the door. These are practical changes that you could make on your own, or you could get some assistance with it. Overall, this is just an informative video to kind of give you some insight into your website and areas of opportunity for you. Now, I know you guys actually service in a lot of different areas in Central Florida and in the surrounding areas. So whenever I looked up your Winter Haven area in Google, you guys are actually ranked in the 3rd position. So you guys are pretty highly ranked when it comes to Winter Haven. However, I noticed that whenever I Google roofing in Lakeland or roofing in Tampa, you guys aren't in that top position. So those are the main areas of opportunity for you, and that's what I'm going to be referring to here. I'm going to compare your site to your top 2 competitors and let you know how you can pretty much beat them and get yourself in that top position. So I'll go ahead and jump right in. I have your website pulled up here. I love the overall layout. I love that you have photos. I love the videos. I think the biggest room for improvement here, and one of the things that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your business and ranking your website, is content. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, and then around 700 to 1,000 words on your back page. So this is just an area of opportunity, and it would help you get ranked higher in that top position. I have your top competitor in Lakeland here, KL Smith Incorporated. Looks like they have this video backdrop, which I'm actually noticing a lot in the digital marketing world. A lot of people are tending to use this feature here. But overall, they actually don't have a lot of content either. So this is certainly an area where I don't see you having an issue kind of surpassing them. And then your second top competitor, A3 Roofing, they're also out of Lakeland. They also have some cool features as well. This parallax feature where it scrolls over the photo. But overall, they also don't have a whole lot of content either. It looks like they have a lot of photos. So this is an opportunity, again, for you to surpass them. I don't think you would have a problem with that at all. So that's just the first area I wanted to go over. The next area I wanted to go over, it kind of involves the back end of your website and how it's ranked. So we use this tool. It's called Ahrefs. It's very resourceful. We're able to see a lot the ins and out of a website and how to outrank your competition. So I have your kind of the back end of your website here. And the first thing I wanted to look at was keywords and what keywords you're ranking for. So what a keyword is, it's an often and a highly searched word in Google. So for instance, roofers, Winter Haven, Florida. Like I said, you guys are in one of the top positions for that keyword. So anytime someone Googles roofer in Winter Haven, Florida, they more than likely are going to see your website. You're on the front page. I definitely think you could get yourself in that top position, but nonetheless, you're still on the front page. But this roofers in Winter Haven, Florida gets about 100 searches a month. So just so you can kind of see and understand what a keyword is. Again, looks like you're ranked for Winter Haven again, roof repair, you're in the 6th position. I see Sebring, Florida, but I do see Lakeland, roofing in Lakeland, Florida, but it looks like you're in the 24th position, so I believe that's just the 3rd or 4th page of Google. So if someone searches that, which it looks like the volume for that keyword is 300 searches, so that's a lot of traffic that you're missing out on. Whereas if you were to get yourself in that top position, you potentially could be looking at this amount more in leads. So just something to think about in an area of opportunity to scale your business. keywords is extremely important, and it kind of goes back to content as well, and getting those keywords in your content. So another area I wanted to look at with you is backlinks. And what backlinks are is pretty much when other websites are referring back to your website, and kind of giving your website credit. Backlinks are very good. They come in all different varieties and forms, so there's really no one size fits all. They're all so different. Backlinks are very important when it comes to ranking your website. What's just as important is getting good, credible backlinks. And that's getting good, credible sites that are referring back to you. You don't want to get spammy sites referring back to your website, because Google sees that. Google acknowledges that. Google's not dumb. They're able to know. So it's important that you not only have a lot of backlinks, but you have good, credible links as well. Which right here tells me if you have credible links. This DR stands for the amount of trust that your website has. It's a little low. It could definitely use some growth and opportunity in getting yourself some good, credible links. I have your first competitor here. It looks like they have 111 backlinks. They have really low trust as well, so that tells me that they could have some spammy sites referring back to them. But when I go to their keywords, it looks like they're ranked in the #1 position for roofing in Lakeland, Florida. So just a few insights for you there. And then your second top competitor, A3 Roofing, they have 260 backlinks, but they have almost no trust. So that tells me they have a bunch of spammy links referring back to their site. And that could potentially hurt them. Their keywords, roofing in Lakeland, Florida, they're in the 6th position, and they actually went down 1. Roofing Lakeland, they're in the 8th position. They're still on the front page, but it looks like roofers in Lakeland, Florida, they're in the 8th position. So just kind of some opportunities for you here in scaling your business. Again, I know you guys looks like you're well known in the Winter Haven area, but there's definitely opportunity in the surrounding areas as well. And then the third thing I wanted to go over with you is what's called citations. And this is pretty much just pops of your business name, address, and phone number all over the website, all over the internet, all over different directories and things of that nature. So of course, the more citations you have, the better, because your name is getting out there on a million different platforms. You have 50 citations. Your top competitor has 39, and then your second top competitor looks like they have 5. So not a whole lot of citations on that end. So you are beating your competition in that area, but you could, always use more. I would say I would always want to double or triple my competitor's number, just of course to beat them in that area. But overall, yeah, I believe that's it. I just wanted to kind of go over those 3 areas for you. Again, that was the citations, backlinks, and keywords, and then content. So yeah, I believe that's it. I would love to touch base with you if you have any questions or concerns for me. I would love to maybe sit down and have a call just to kind of discuss your goals and what you're looking for your business. And if not, that's okay too. I hope you learned something and you're able to gain something from this screencast. But yeah, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you have a good one.